Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode here on Talk Daily. Hopefully, have a great day wherever you are in the world. And I'm just pretty much going to give you the gist of this. Hummer is, it's an amazing car. The Hummer EV, to be specific, electric vehicle Hummer. It's a blast. I made a video about it. It's a fantastic vehicle, but I was not aware that the tail light of that vehicle costs an exceeding $3,000 each. That's not including tax. Apparently, walking out of the door, you're looking at a $4,000 4,040 for single pair light, single tail light. Now, if you replace both the 7,000, I don't know why would you want to replace both, but if you back up into something, it's going to be a very expensive repair. Now, I'm getting my information from Car and Drive from this article by Jack Fitzgerald. As always, have a link to this article and everything else I show you in the description below. Now, to kind of give you an idea, the vehicle cost, the Hummer, it's an expensive vehicle. It costs about $120,000, but, it's a toy. Not the way I explain it. I made a video about it. It's fantastic. Check it out. It's a toy. It's a fun car. But to kind of give you an idea of what that costs for a $120,000 car, we could look at the AMG GLS 63 SUV. It's a $135,400 SUV, luxury SUV. And the taillight on that car is about $500. Taillight assembly. I mean, there's other components, but taillight assembly. Okay. And I'm getting the source from Mercedes-Benz Part USA. I have a link for this also in the description below. Now, so I kind of give you an idea that usually you're looking at 500, 600, 700, 3,000. What's going on here? So GM, the way GM explained it, is saying that there are microconductors to control animation in turn, which drives the price. Now, obviously a lot of people are gonna start bashing GM for, hey, it's too expensive, whatnot. But I'm kind of thinking about it. How many Hummers are they making? So maybe it has something to do with that. Maybe everything on the Hummer is expensive because it's not mass production. I comparing it. I don't like comparing cars, but I'm just giving you an idea compared to AMG. And they're probably going to sell a lot more AMG GLS 63 than going to be selling the Hummer EV. So it's probably due to the fact they're just not making that many. So there you go. If you own the Hummer EV, and not just the taillight, I guarantee a lot of other components are expensive. Now I try to go find the price for it. They're not listed yet. Maybe it's just a brand new car, but I'll try to find it. I'll make a video probably about it if I'm able to find more components about this vehicle, because everything about this car is just massive. But yeah, I don't think anything on that car is cheap. Nothing on the Hummer will be cheap. So again, it's $100,000+ vehicle. Now, it would be interesting how much insurance quote would be on this car. And I know the insurance company aware, because they do all these cars. They go through frontal crash, side crash. Insurance company just kind of give an idea. Okay, how much costs to insure this vehicle regarding, 30 mile per hour, not 30 mile per hour, like 5 mile per hour fender bender. That's that kind of thing. So knowing that if you crack the tail light, which is it could happen, you back up into something. I mean, there are sensors and cameras, but hey, accidents do happen, right? So you crack that tail light, it's wow, 4,040, and not including the cost of labor, because you probably, at that point, I don't think you're gonna go buy it out of your own pocket. You probably just pay deductible and just take it to a body shop, because probably other things are cracked. But wow. So this leads me to my second point of this video, which is modern cars are expensive. They really are expensive, and I mean as far as like maintenance, because they're no longer like, I keep comparing to my dumb car, right? I have a basic car. I have a Honda Accord that has none of this technology, and you break a tail light, yeah, it's gonna cost me a couple of $100, but it's not the end of the world. There's nothing smart about it. Same thing in my mirror, side mirror. You crack one mirror, it's like, okay, well, fine, I get a new mirror. Yeah, again, you go to the dealership, buy it. I mean, there's a motor in it, right? It's not a manual side mirror. But modern cars, there's cameras on the mirrors, or sensors on the mirror. There are much other components on it that the price just go up. I mean, the only time the price is not gonna be insane, I mean, to me, side mirror, you're expecting to pay $500. That's only if that mirror is just a manual mirror. Like there's a little motor in there just to adjust it. But if the more things are on it, like the froster mirror, if there is a camera on it, the price will go up. But again, if it's mass production, meaning I don't know, for a Honda Civic, uh, the price will not be that. I remember the price of about almost $800 for just the mirror, the one on the camera. That's a passenger side mirror. That's the exterior side mirror. Because I make a lot of it, so the price will kind of go down. But the Hummer, I'm not making that much, so I do believe it. I do believe including inflation and whatnot. I do believe it. Now their explanation is the taillight is housing a microconductor to control the animation, in turn driving the price up. I think obviously they are the expert. I'm just gonna put my assumption is that they're not making that many of them. I think that's probably the best answer. Yes, those are smart taillight, and they're not making many of them. So if you own a GM EV, just beware, beware where you park your car, and it's an expensive car. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think the price is reasonable, or do you think it's not reasonable? Remember, this is a car, this is a toy. So I keep mentioning it's a toy. So I give it some. I love the Hummer. I can't say anything bad about it. I love that car. It's a wonderful car. If you own one, yeah, it's nice. Anyways, as always, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.